up for this third batch is Vatis Tech. Big round of applause for Vatis Tech. Good luck. Your clicker and microphone are on the white box, and you will have 3 minutes from when you start to speak.
Perfect. Hello, everyone. I'm Adrian, the CEO and co-founder of Vatis Tech. Perfect. Speech-to-text technology advanced a lot in the last years, but it's a long way to go. Existing solutions are inaccurate and inefficient, so we can have a lot of frustration when wasting time and money with our current speech-to-text solutions. So we have a big problem in a big market. More exactly, a market estimated to reach over $50 billion in the next few years. Our technology is industry agnostic and can be applied on multiple use cases. As proof, we have customers from over 10 industries, and we have successful implementation on use cases like media monitoring, broadcasting, call centers, and many more. But what makes us different from our competitors, and why people choose to switch to our technology from other technology like Google technology or Microsoft technology? First of all, we have our unique architecture, our proprietary technology. Moreover, we develop our proprietary speech infrastructure designed and optimized to handle large amounts of data. And of course, we have our proprietary speech data set, which is vast and collected from our data partners. All of these three things allow us to reach unbeatable accuracy, surpassing competition, and matching human performance in a lot of domains. At the moment, our models covering billions of speakers, and we believe in a future without language barriers. Due to our speech infrastructure, we can build from scratch any other language in just 6 months, and in just 1 month we can adapt our technology to any accent and any domain-specific audio. From the point of view of commercial traction, we started to actively sell our technology in June last year. So in almost 1 year, we reached over 10K in monthly recurring revenue, 50 customers, 15 partners in 5 countries like United States, Austria, Czech Republic, Romania, and Ukraine. And we have a consistent quarter-over-quarter growth rate. From the go-to-market perspective, we know what we have to do. We know how to sell our technology. We go to outbound sales and inbound sales, and of course, a lot of partnership, business partnership and tech partnerships. From the point of view of business models, we are a consumption-based subscription service for our customers and, of course, for our partners. We have a clear roadmap ahead, so we invest in the next period in 2 different directions, 2 important directions.
Thank you. Time is over.
Oh, perfect. And a good team.
A big round of applause. And judges, you have 5 minutes now for your question. You have a microphone on the table.
Thank you for the presentation. I have a question. I know the big players have still issues with multiple speakers. How do you handle this in conversation with 2 or more participants?
We have a good speaker dearization algorithm. That's the field that you are asked about. And moreover, at the moment, we are working a new version of our speech dearization algorithm that can handle multiple speakers in the same times. For example, if we together speak each one, at the moment, our algorithm can separate my voice from your voice.
Again, thanks for your presentation. If you were to name just one main thing that separates you from your competition, what would that be?
Super accurate.
Sorry?
Accuracy.
If you can elaborate a bit based on the...
Okay. We are differentiated from our competitors from the point of view of accuracy, and we reach that differentiator because of our competitive advantages, like our proprietary technology, our proprietary speech infrastructure, and our data sets collected from our partners and our vast and diverse data sets.
You jumped over the pricing page relatively quickly. Can you maybe go back a little bit and show us what the pricing is and what kind of average customer value you expect per year?
In 1 year from now, we expect it to reach 100,000 in monthly recurring revenue. This is the base pricing models for our customers. Of course, we started to sell a lot of enterprise in the last period of time. And also we have business models from our partners. Of course, the numbers, it's not public because it's our competitive advantage.
And what does the typical sales cycle look like?
Sorry?
What does the typical sales cycle look like at the moment?
Around 100 days.
What is the minimum size of a custom data set for a particular industry and language? And how difficult is to acquire? I mean, how much time does it take?
The minimum amount of data to personalize the model,
yeah.
10 hours of audio, but if you have 100 hours of audio, will be better.
Can you tell us some words about the team that you are working with?
We have a team of experienced professionals from engineering, machine learning, sales and marketing. Me and my co-founders have experience in other startups and big companies. Our head of sales and head of marketing have over 10 and 20 years of experience. Our head of AI have a PhD. And also we have Gabriel Pană, ex-VP of sales at UiPath.
So over the next 12 to 18 months, you mentioned you have two channels. You have direct channel and partner channel, yeah? So which channel do you expect to scale more?
Partner channels.
And how does that work usually? What's the model that you offer to the partners?
What we are planning to acquire as partners? So we invest in our go-to-market strategy via partnerships. So we are looking for business partnerships like outsourcing companies or consulting companies. Okay.
What are the terms usually? So how much margin are they taking?
We are, to our partners, we give them a fixed price, for example. And after that price, they can add any margin that can want. So basically, the margin depends on the business.
So if there are no more questions, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
And big round of applause for Vatis.